I'm sure I should talk these up. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, no, no! Oh no! This is my first video. I'm Ryan from SDC Competitions and I am shit at mechanics. Absolutely crap. I get the fear every time something needs doing. I can talk a good game, I can kind of know what's what, but I'm awful at actually getting around, getting my hands dirty and getting past that fear of absolutely mucking it up, screwing up the car and leaving a massive bill for someone else to fix. So I'm going to start filming a few getting my hands dirty, going for it, instructional videos, loosely put, where I'm going to basically steal all of the content online where they tell you actually how to do it and try. So I'm going to start, I actually started the other day, I did a fuel filter on my E36, which E36 3.2 Evo. Every time I take it out, it goes wrong. Last time I took it out, I thought the clutch had gone, and again I begged and hoped someone would help me, and then prayed for it to be the best possible scenario. Luckily it was the slave cylinder and didn't cost bugger all. This time, took it out a couple of days ago, and 5 miles down, glorious sunshine, had the top down, glorious sunshine, and then feels like it's running on 5 cylinders, but it also had, it felt like a fuel starvation issue. Something I remember from back when I had like a 205 GTI back in the day, crawling into the petrol station with my £3. So it felt like that. Decided to change the fuel filter first because it can't harm to do it anyway. That's given me the kind of, I did the thing. Kick up the bum to have a go. So I'm gonna have a go. I've bought some NGK spark plugs, Iridium something, and I've never changed spark plugs in I am 41 years old and I have never changed spark plugs in my life, but I'm gonna try on my E36. I'm gonna get the E60 out of the way, supercharged, beautiful thing. I don't know how that works either. I could talk a good game, but when it comes to turbo supercharged, you all know more than me. I know you all know more than me. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to start talking. Get the M5 out. The cold start. I'm going to leave it on recording for cold start because it's very nice. Get the M3 down, and then see if we can figure it out. What's the worst that can happen? Right, let's get it out. Doesn't that M5 sound good? It probably hasn't come across on here at all. Obviously you have to let everything warm up on that thing. ESS supercharged, one of, I believe, 2 in Europe, V10 M5s, or 2 in the UK, I think it might be. Let's get this down. Sorry about the mess, I'm a messy bugger, so we'll deal with it. Let's see if I can do this. Also got a very, very sticky bonnet catch on this. Right, so just to prove my point on that I have never ever changed spark plugs in my life. So what have we got? NGK Laser Platinum Premium spark plugs. These ones. They're probably wrong, but they've said. So just to prove it, look. My first spark plug wrench. Hey? Help. Yeah. Let's have a go, innit? Okay, so obviously the main issue of why I'm doing this, I think I might see this as well. I'd love to repaint all this. Again, the fear of taking all of this apart has stopped me before. The fear of taking all of this off to get to that, to do something as simple as spraying it, and then the fear of, have I got the right paint? Do I get the right paint? What happens if I get the wrong paint? Or actually, the worst that could happen is it could look like this again. So first things first, I'm pretty sure I've got to take off this cover, which looks like Allen key bolts there and there. First guess is it's this Allen key. I'm wrong, I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
A few moments later.
Right, this one. Oh, first time. First time, there we go, right. I need to get one of those magnetic dishes that all of the, you know, the smart mechanic-y people have. All right. Now, if you're thinking, I don't know about cars, like the same as when Matt Armstrong started saying, oh, I'm not a mechanic, it's a whole different ball game. I don't know what I'm gonna see when I take off this cover. That's how bad the fear is. I think that's what I'm gonna call this video. The fear. Because it's real, it's real. I realise that I'm talking and actually, probably, this will just be like 10 seconds. Is it bad that I'm knackered already? First success is 4 bolts out, no loss of bolts. For all those who are like me, when you take off the cover, you see, I don't even know how to take the cover off. What I expected to see, good, okay. So from what I understand, should I have disconnected the battery? I don't know, should I have disconnected the battery? I reckon so. I'm going to disconnect the battery. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. If you do clone my car, because I've been stupid enough to, luckily I didn't, because I store my cars. That's quite easy. Ah, there it is. There it is. Shush. Okay, I think that was a good idea. So I believe I put a screwdriver in here. Oh, look, it's exactly the same as the video. And then this pulls off. Oh yeah. So I can't visually see anything different about any of them. And if I could, I wouldn't be able to tell you what that meant. I did just look at one little video of someone doing this on a 323, and it looks like this. So if this works and just changing the plugs helps, then I will be very chuffed. Oh God, this one's tight. Bloody hell. Oh, some of these might never go on again. Right, okay. Okay, I think I take these off now. So this is where the fear's coming in now. This is where they're like, most of you watching this will be like, this is just normal. That's just, you just take them off, do that, turn it back, all done, car's fixed. I'm genuinely, I love this car, and I'm genuinely scared. Something simple as this, and it's real, the fear is real. So I'm gonna get 10mm sockets, the rarest of all the sockets. A genuine real. Oh, look at that, in stock, 10mm. Now, do I do one, I'm gonna do, should I do one at a time? I know, it's probably the wrong way to do it. I know. Right, does that just... Just went pop. I actually wasn't expecting that beautiful noise. Okay, so, where's my tool? Okay, so, we have this dodgy tool of doom. We have the cable tie remover. I don't know what this is doing like. I'm not a video editor either, so if you're watching this and the edit is completely terrible, that's another thing I'm learning how to do. I'm learning how to edit videos whilst learning how to work on cars. Okay. What? I don't know. How does this... It doesn't even go in!
Oh no!
It doesn't even fit down the fucking hole. Oh, I got a wrong tool. Okay, so now we're into uncharted territory. Now I feel like I don't have the right tool, but I'm also of the opinion that that's long enough to go down there. reckon that is a 16mm socket. Does it say on this? Oh. I could use one of the other spark plugs. Do anything with the spark plugs before I put them in? I don't think so. Right. Okay. I'll take you over here. Okay, so I need a socket that will go over this. So, how long are these? I reckon 17, is it? That's a bit big, isn't it? So it's not 17. I'll know this for the rest of my life now. I hope. Oh, that's... Do you know what it is? I think it's a bloody 16. Oh no. What are these? What are these here? These are super long ones. That's too big. Why don't I have the right size? What's that one? 13mm. Oh no. See, the fear's coming back. What are these ones? These look mighty. They look too big. Way too big. What does that do? Oh God. Why does this go 14, 15, 17? What's the point in that? 15's too small. Oh, you tart. 17 will do it, but it's just a little large. Now, I'm sure if anyone actually ends up ever watching this, people will be screaming, going, "The tool's right there! It's right in front of your bloody eyes, you idiot!" And I welcome your comments. I do welcome them, but I don't know. I've actually got the sweats. The fit, like, I'm not joking here. Like, this is scary for me. Let's try it. Come on. I think this will do the job. Oh. Oh. But will it pull it? It's not going to pull it out, though, is it? Because the socket's too big. I'm just going to loosen it, and it's not actually going to come out. As I suspected. I don't know what to do. Oh no. Okay. Okay. What is this thing? Oh god. Like, this doesn't even, I can't even like use this. Like, and I'm not being, I don't think I'm being a complete numbskull. That just doesn't go in, so that's crap. Okay, that's a 16mm socket. I could get some. Okay, I've got an idea.
A few minutes later.
Okay, right. I'm cut that bit out. This isn't the way to go. Well, it's not even done all the way, so I'll cut all this out. You know, I'll give you a voiceover of what not to do and what to do. Right. Now, I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to get long nose pliers, or whatever they're bloody called, in and fish out a spark plug. But it works. Right. That's dry as a bone, which I believe is good. I believe is very good. Now, if I'm putting this one in, I don't want to drop this. I definitely do not want to just drop this. 100% don't. Which I have not done. I have not done that. And I do know you're supposed to handle. I need one of those magnetic-y things. Right, I know you're supposed to start getting them in. Oh, it's all on the cock. No. Get in. Get in the hole. Get in your hole. Right, I'm on some resistance. That's. No, I don't want to over tighten this either. just that about. I'm sure I should talk these up. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no no no! Oh no! This is why the fear is real. Jesus Christ! Oh, it's in my head. That was a socket stuck in an engine that I have no clue how to get out. And thank God that came out. Right. I can't believe I can take this. This is the fear is real, and it's for a good reason. It's because I'm unqualified. I don't know what I'm doing. On a whole different level than you've ever seen before. Like Gareth is clueless when it comes to this sort of stuff, but he's actually quite practical. I'll give it a go, but I'm petrified the whole time. So I'm sticking to my doing one at a time. This is going to take me 7 hours to do, but I believe that spark plug is in there. It's nice and tight. Oh, how the hell am I going to get one at the end in? That's bad. Oh my God. I found the 10mm socket that I had before. Tight. If I am supposed to torque, I'm sure these are just fine like that. First one in. I think. Oh God. Pull this up. Plug it in. Put it down. I did a spark plug. It's my first ever spark plug. I don't know if you could tell that. But that is the first ever spark plug I've ever changed in my life. Oh God, I've got 5 more to do. And the last one looks, how do you get the last one out? Oh God. Right, I'm gonna crack on with this. I'll probably time lapse this bit, but that was my first ever spark plug changed. I want that satisfying noise again. Oh, it wasn't satisfying this time. Oh no. Shit. See, now I'm thinking I have definitely not got the right tools for this, because this doesn't... Shit, I can't even turn now. Stupid. No, this doesn't want to go down. This isn't the right tool. This is not my bloody tool. Ah. I'm asking YouTube. I don't know. I'm really worried now about mucking this up, so I'm going to check and then come back.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so after absolutely no Googling or anything, I found a different type of socket. And this feels like it fits a lot snugger, and it's going to pull it out as well. So I think I'm onto a winner. I think this is better. This is a better socket for me to be using. I don't even know if I'm in shot. I don't know if I am or not. Get this one out. Let's see if this will get this one out. Will it pull it up with it? Oh yeah, look at that. All right. Bits petrol-y. That's my technical term. I'm on the original coil packs. I've got a date on them, 23rd of June 1997. All right, let's give this a tighten. Yeah, and I just want to tighten this as much as it feels like I needed to take it off. And boom, good. Yes. Simple things, eh? Simple things. Don't want to jinx it, but I think I'm on a roll. Already skipped ahead to the next one. Look, haven't even secured this one. If this is a 4-hour video, I apologise. if it's a 20-minute video, believe me, it didn't take 20 minutes. Okay, so we're a third of the way. The good thing is, by going over this, by going past the fear, hopefully I'll never be scared of doing my own spark plugs again. Or, you know, full service. Like I've never drained the oil out of the bottom of my car before. These are all really sad things at the age of 41 with a ramp. Shocking. Oh, my friends, if my friends see this, they're gonna disown me. Okay, again, the spark plug is dry, which I believe is a good thing. Everyone's probably now saying, no, it's a terrible thing. The engine's gonna explode. Get a new engine or put this juice in it. All right. Oh no! It's okay. I'm a professional. Should I have put something on these spark plugs before putting them back in? Like copper slip or something. Oh, I think I should, you know. Should I put copper grease on these? I think I have some too.
12 seconds later.
I think I need this, but I'm not going to. If I need to take them out again, I will. In the meantime, I'm not going to. I'm going to stick with what I'm doing. If I find out afterwards I need to have done that, well, I know what I'm doing then. Okay, that's good. Okay. Change the plan of attack. I've done 2. I've done 3. Hopefully, I don't need to take anything else apart. Because again, I'm petrified of doing that. I mean, if one of these is gone, I can figure that out, can't I? Yeah, I can disconnect them, and the one that doesn't change how it runs, I suppose that would be the broken one. That's common sense, right? Yeah, I do. Okay, next up. I'm convinced that's what that's for. Oh, no pop on that one. Bit tight to that one. That's off. Again, very dry. And apologies if I've done all of this wrong. I can like putting the spark plug in the socket backwards there. All tips are welcome. If you've got any other jobs you think I should do on this engine while I'm feeling motivated, drop it in the comments. Like I'm gonna get any comments. I'm assuming this won't get many views because everyone can probably do their own spark plugs. But for those people who have got that, oh no, I've got to take something apart. Fear. I suppose this is for you guys really, because when I couldn't find the right socket, because I haven't got the knowledge of what socket to use, and you know, you only know what you've learned. Because I didn't have that knowledge, the fear comes, and then that can sometimes stop you doing it. But right, I'm 5 down, so I'll quickly show you the situation with the 6th one. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this one, I've got a little bit more clearance issue. I'm gonna get him and crack on. I'm getting crack on. Oh. This one will be fine on the extension bar. The extension bar's definitely got to come off the other one. Hopefully this will be alright. Come on, play with me. Play ball. Yes, good start. Okay, those are finger tight now. Finger loose. Finger loose. There we go. One down. My main concern is getting the plug in now. I'm hoping I don't have to take all of this plastic stuff off. Also, I have a fear of plastic clips. Okay. Hello. My last little doofer, my last one. Yeah, it does say attention high voltage, so I think definitely disconnect the battery. Not probably, definitely. I really hope this works. I really hope this works. The first thing to do is reconnect the battery. Nothing exploded. Well, I did put black Vaders in as well. I need to find, this is going to be next job. I'm scared of taking these out. Just start first. I'll take a start. We started. At the moment, it sounds smooth. So I'm not sure this has worked. Oh! I think it's worked. I think it's worked. No, I'm getting smoke. Why am I getting smoke? Well, why would something be smoking on me? I think we're good. I think it was a small oil leak. Is it missing? I can't tell if it's missing. It seems okay. It seems okay. I'm hoping that's done the job. I'm going to put it all back together and take it out for a drive and see what happens. Right, so if you were wondering how hard it is to do an E36 M3 set of spark plugs, it's not that difficult. You need a 4mm Allen key, long spannery extension, you need a decent socket set. You can do it with a decent socket set, or even a half decent socket. Those are just like 20 quid inserts from Halfords. Remains to be seen if I should have put a bit of copper slip on the thread. I'm kind of regretting not doing that, but I will check, and if so, I will just take them out and put them back in. That's it, it's pretty easy. If you like this video, let me know. It is a complete experiment. If it goes well, you probably know me from SDC competitions, you might not. This is just a bit of a laugh to see if, I can teach myself mechanics a bit better than I make out I know. I know what to look for and I know what's cool, but when it comes to under this big metal flappy thing, I'm petrified, completely petrified, and I'm also sweaty, really sweaty now. It won't just be these, we'll do some fun stuff and hopefully you like it and we make millions doing it. No. Thanks ever so much. If you wouldn't care to subscribe, that'd be great, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks guys. I'm pretending like I'm really pleased. I'm thoroughly pleased. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, that's such a relief. Yes. If you have got the fear, and it is a real thing, there's plenty of you probably watching going, this guy's a dickhead. He should know these things. I should know, but I don't, and I haven't done them. For one thing or another, one reason, we'll get into it another time, for one reason or another, but I'm glad I did it. The next I want to do is maybe I need to replace the air ride bags on my truck. thanks very much. Chuffed a bit. Hopefully it sticks and it's all fine. Looks, feels great. Sounds beautiful. Next up is to get some black door cards, replace the back seats and the Vaders. The dashboard scares me. I might paint the dashboard. You can get some dashboard paint, but the door cards need doing, rear door cards need doing, and that's it. And then it will be all black Vader on Estoril Blue. Lovely. Bye.